Have you grasped what short-term rentals really are? The digital era has shaped the marketing landscape we have now, and along with it, property management continues to change as more people demand quality service. Hi there! Welcome to the pilot episode of Prowess Property Management's tips, tricks, and everything you need to know about short-term rentals. With the flow of information on the internet, I'm sure you've heard about short-term rentals. We can trace short-term rental use back to the 1950s, when homeowners started listing their properties in the newspapers, advertising them as vacation rentals. So this is how short-term rentals work. A guest sees your listing online and books it. They check into your property, and once they finish their stay, they check out, and the funds are paid out to you according to their method of payment. Today, multiple short-term rental platforms can be seen online along with mobile apps due to popular demand. Now that you're more familiar with the topic, you might be thinking, should I invest in short-term rentals? Well, that entirely depends on you. You see, it's not easy handling a property, let alone maintaining it after every stay. If you have the extra time to do all the cleaning, then it wouldn't be a problem at all. But if your goal is to sit back and let the profit roll in, you might want to consider hiring a property manager to do the work for you. Here's what to expect once you venture into the short-term rental landscape. First, there are specific demographics to focus on. Tenants are presently consisting of Millennial and Gen Z groups. They require quick solutions for their concerns, which means the quality of the service we provide should level their specific tastes. Secondly, you have to be technologically inclined. The landlords are considered backwards if they don't keep up with quick fixes. Technology is now within each and everyone's fingertips, so you're expected to take advantage of it in every possible way that you can, especially when it comes to communication. You also need to keep marketing strategies in mind. With the existing situation we are in right now, every property manager should think fast and act fast in order to provide real-time solutions. Digital marketing is a good way to provide information to potential clients online. Then you have your digital amenities. Not all guests require the internet, but we are in the era where Wi-Fi is crucial to your tenants, especially in the middle of this pandemic, where everyone is encouraged to work from home if possible. What are your thoughts about short-term rentals so far? You can comment down below, and don't forget to hit the like button and click the notification bell so you'll be updated with our upcoming content. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next episode.